Hello everyone and welcome to the Top Foreign channel. Now I want you all to consider this. What if you could earn $15 for each and every song you listen to? It may sound impossible, right? I still remember my student days when I used to listen to music while walking to school, studying in the library, or even before going to sleep. Back then, I didn't make any money from listening to music at all. I often wished I had come across methods like the one I'm about to share with you today, because you can actually earn a decent income in your free time without even putting in much effort. You can do this comfortably from your bed or while sitting on a couch, as long as you have your smartphone with you. So be sure to watch every second of this video, as I'll be revealing some secret tips and tricks to potentially double or even triple your online income. Now, the method I'm about to share with you today is completely free and works in almost every country worldwide. Before we proceed with the video, I'm curious to know which country you're watching from right now. Please leave a comment below mentioning your country so I can get an idea of where my viewers are coming from. As I usually do in most of my videos, I will provide you with a step-by-step tutorial. Make sure you don't skip any part. So let's move on to step number 1. I want you all to go to Google.com and type in the keyword playlist push. Click on the search button and you will see a website pop up with a mission to assist independent artists and small record labels in getting their music heard by Spotify playlist curators and YouTube influencers. Simply click on that link and you will be directed to the homepage, which emphasizes connecting artists with playlist curators. Today, we will be utilizing Playlist Push to earn $15 for each song you listen to. However, there are other websites available that can be combined to maximize your income, effectively doubling or even tripling your online earnings. It's crucial to pay attention to every tip in this video to optimize your income. Now let's focus on the strategy we will be using today, which involves becoming playlist curators. I will explain how it works, but first I want to share some statistics from their actual website. With over 4,000 verified playlists from around the world, and 500k playlist ads, Playlist Push has successfully generated real income for its users. And they have accomplished more than 150 million total reach successful campaigns. Playlist Push has been featured by prominent brands and companies, including Los Angeles Times and CNBC. If you scroll down a bit, you will find numerous testimonials and reviews confirming the legitimacy of this website. Moving on to step number 2, click on Creator Sign Up, select Spotify Playlist Curators, and you will be directed to a webpage titled Make Money from Your Playlists. Scroll down and you will find a section Get Paid to Listen and Review Music. You can review songs and consider adding them to your playlists if you enjoy them. This is where you can earn $15 for each song, which is an incredible amount of money. Just imagine, if you listen to at least 10 songs per day, you can earn a minimum of $150 every single day. And all you have to do is listen to some songs. With that kind of money, you can plan so many different things like your next vacation, a night out with friends, or even buying yourself a new car. The choice of how you spend the money you earn from Playlist Push is entirely up to you. Now let me show you exactly how you can start earning money on Playlist Push. Playlist Push offers direct payment into your bank account, and there is no minimum withdrawal limit. This means it's not a point-based system where you have to accumulate a certain number of points before cashing out through gift cards or coupons. Playlist Push pays you in cold hard cash directly to your PayPal account. However, it's important to note that not everyone can become a playlist curator on Playlist Push, as there are some minor requirements. This may discourage some beginners from making money on the platform. But as we can see here, to qualify as a curator, you need to own a playlist with real organic followers on Spotify. So it's not overly strict. As long as you have some nice playlists, you can ask your friends to follow you, and you'll meet the requirements. You can still qualify as a curator on Playlist Push, and the requirements have become less strict. Previously, creators needed to have at least 500 followers, but now having real followers is sufficient. So if you currently have no followers on your playlists, there's no need to worry. I will share strategies and tips with you that, when combined, will help you gain a significant number of real followers on Spotify. We'll focus on Spotify because it's much easier compared to YouTube Music and Apple Music. Once you have gained followers on Spotify, you can begin listening to music and writing short reviews. If you like a song, you can add it to your playlist, and that's how you continuously earn $15 just by listening to music. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but with consistent effort and the methods I'll show you, you can build your follower base and easily earn $15 for each song you listen to. I want to show you how to sign up for Playlist Push. Look for the button that says Become a Curator and click on it. You'll be directed to another webpage where you'll be asked for some personal information. Enter your name and email address. First, select your country from the list provided. There are numerous countries listed, so yours is likely to be included, allowing you to make money with Playlist Push. Enter your mobile phone number. Next, they will inquire if you own public playlists on Spotify. Answer yes and choose the appropriate range for the number of followers your playlist has. The website will then update, and you'll see a message that says, "Great. It looks like you qualify to become a curator on Playlist Push." Below that, click on the button that says, "I want to apply as a curator." You'll be redirected to another webpage where they will request permission to connect with your Spotify account. Don't worry, as they will only check your email address and Spotify username. They won't add any songs to your playlist. Their purpose is solely to verify if your playlist has a sufficient number of followers. Go ahead and connect your Spotify account with Playlist Push. Once your follower count has been verified, you'll be able to review different songs on Playlist Push, and you'll earn $15 for each review. And once again, the earnings will be directly deposited into your PayPal account. Now let's move on to the first website I want to share with you today, which is Reddit.com. Specifically, we'll be visiting the subreddit dedicated to Spotify. To quickly access this subreddit, simply click on the address bar of your web browser and type in reddit.com/r/Spotify. This is a free forum with over 300,000 members. You'll find numerous posts and discussions happening here, and some users take the opportunity to share their own Spotify playlists. By sharing your playlist on this subreddit, you can gain significant exposure to a targeted audience of music enthusiasts. Many users who come across your post may choose to follow your playlist on Spotify, allowing you to grow your follower count organically. Now let's move on to the second website you can use to gain Spotify followers, called Playlist.net. On this platform, you can easily share, post, and upload your playlists. The interactive nature of this website makes it a great opportunity to attract followers. Simply click on the red button that says Submit a Playlist, log in using your Spotify account, and choose the playlist you want to submit. Last but not least, we have Soundplate.com. This website allows you to promote your Spotify playlist and gain a substantial number of followers. Look for the section that says Submit Music to Playlists and click on the button that says Submit Music Free. Then click on the option that says Click here to add your playlist to Soundplate. Now all you need to do is sit back, listen to some tunes, and watch as your PayPal account fills up in no time. That concludes this video. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Don't forget to smash that like button and leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video. Peace!